And then bear in mind, ready?
I don't even know when I just started eating.
Called Avocado Hugger. Didn't work because of nice, not bad.
Eyelashes, you guys can see.
Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're just stopping by for the very first time, I want to say thank you. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you clicking on my video to watch this video. So I had already started cooking and my mom came home and was like, oh, you're making, what are you making? And I was like, I'm making chicken curry. So she was like, why don't you have your camera with you? So right here, all you guys can see me doing is I don't have my chicken. I'm cutting them into thin slices, which is actually what I did. You can cut the chicken to any desired shape, slice, however you want it. That's how I wanted mine. And then this is a golden curry. My mom introduced this to me. It's a Japanese golden curry actually. So all you just need to do is have all your ingredients ready. When everything is half cooked, you just dump it in there. It's actually a good substitute to using corn starch and all that stuff. I think this is just like the ready-made one. You know, it makes cooking faster for you, so you don't need to use your corn starch. You don't need to just get into all that business. Everything is made for you here. Your curry, everything is put together. It has a little bit of salt too, so it's sold in Walmart. I can't remember for how much. And then here I'm just going ahead to season the chicken that I'd already sliced. I'm gonna put all my own seasoning that I feel suits my taste buds, and I'm just gonna stir and leave to sit for a while because we want the sauce to go in. And then here's me dumping in some parsley. I really don't like parsley that much inside my food because most times, if you notice, parsley has this bitter taste to it. So most times I really don't play with parsley or that much. And then my vegetables, which I'm going to be using here, I'm opening my sweet peas, and then I'm also going to have some carrots ready as well. So those are the two vegetables that are in cans that I'll be using here. I do have my peppers. I did purchase the pepper that came in the bag, the red, yellow, and the orange, you know, just to make it look exciting and colorful. Trust me, guys. If it were left to just me, myself, I probably would not even be doing all these extra duties. Because of the kids, you know, just want to make it look nice and exciting. Mr. T liked it. My mom loved it. My mom is someone that hardly ever tells me what I do is nice. So for her to have loved this, I would suggest you stay tuned. Watch until the very end. So I've prepped all my ingredients. Everything is ready, as you guys can see. The pepper is ready, everything ready. So now I'm gonna go in with my vegetable oil.
Open up the heavens.
Oh, bear in mind, I didn't add any water to it. Just let it cook itself. You know, chicken has water in it.
Jesus, come.
And then by the time you feel it's ready,
Inhabit
go
the
in,
praise
dump
of
the
the sinner.
curry into it.
Jesus,
All you just need to
come.
do is just put it in it and it's gonna
Jesus, move.
you guys see that? Like, to be honest with you, I didn't need to add extra salt or nothing because it comes with the bouillon, it has everything. And then when it had cooked, I went in to pour in the peppers that I sliced in thin slices.
Open up the heavens. Come rain down.
Go ahead and stir. This is like the easiest sauce to make. It didn't take so much time.
So
I
much
mean, it's
more.
chicken. This, I don't know about the kind of chicken you make.
Here
This
and
is
now. We call on you, Lord. Come and meet us
went ahead and I turned in my carrots and green peas. So you guys can see here. Oh la la, guys, everything is looking so yummy and delicious. And then here I do have my coconut milk ready. You know, this coconut milk was last minute. I didn't even think about it, but when I remember that, I watched someone's video and the person turned in coconut milk. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. And as you guys can see, it's looking so creamy, yummy, and delicious. Look, I am a lover of coconut. Are you guys gonna be trying this? Please let me know in the comment section, okay? And this is the final look, because obviously we're eating it with some white rice.
It's looking tempting.
It's looking tempting. I wonder how it will taste.
Tasting great.
Ah. Oh my god! Mommy, I just use it to do adverts. Nikki K's World Restaurants.
Irresistible.
Oh my god, Maggie Kitchen.
What can taste better than this again?
Oh my god! Do you guys hear my mommy? She said, what else can taste better than this? Hey!
I love it.
Ah, thank God. Guys, let me. Yes. So guys, when I finished cooking, I didn't even know when I just started eating. I was too hungry. So when my mommy came, I said, wow, good opportunity for me to just film it, you know, dish it, and then film her doing the taste test. Guys, my mom has never told me food is sweet before. Today she says it's yummy and delicious for the first time. For the first time, I'm just excited. You guys can see how I'm smiling at me. I even said, wow, for the first time in history. But there's one question I forgot to ask. Nobody else said, Mommy, are you sure you're not very hungry? But I know she's not hungry. Yes, you guys can hear she's not hungry. So, guys, I think it is high time for me to call it a day. I'm gonna be ending the vlog now. I just want to say thank you for spending so much time. So my mom said you guys should try this recipe, that it is so nice.
I'm not cajoling with this. You always like me to say what is not true.
Oh my god! And look at it, guys. Ariel has eaten and knocked herself out. She's feeling sleepy.
She's sleeping.
That's her food right there. She has knocked herself out. The food is too delicious for her. Alright guys, thank you so much for spending time with me this weekend. Do enjoy the rest of the week, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys, take care, enjoy the rest of the day.
Real quick, as part of this video, I want to introduce you guys to a product that I just got recently off of Amazon. As you can see, I do have avocados right here in front of me. I'm about to make some avocado sandwich. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Avocado lovers, stay tuned, stay right here, don't go anywhere. This video is for you if you are an avocado lover. This is the product. The brand name is actually called Avocado Huggers, but I would just call it storage containers. It is made out of silicone. Did you guys know that July 31st was actually National Avocado Day? Interesting. Yes, I have lots of fun facts about this product and about avocado itself. See, I told you guys small and large, so that's it right there. Made out of silicone. So some of you might be wondering, silicone, like what does that really mean? If it's made out of silicone, it simply means it is eco-friendly, and it helps you to save more money. It is sustainable. Do you know it is dishwasher safe? Yes, it is also dishwasher safe, so you can wash it in your dishwasher. You don't need to be spending money on plastic bags, aluminium foils. Those things are not even healthy for your body, as I said. It's women owned as well, so let's support women supporting women. What do you guys think about that? So let's go ahead and bring it out of the box. This is it. Your girl has brought it out of the box, and it comes in two sizes, as I did say, two different sizes. And let's go ahead and rinse it, because obviously we want to eat clean. So after rinsing, this is it, guys. I'm going ahead to towel dry it. So I like this, guys. So let's go ahead and slice our avocados. Ooh, so beautiful and fresh. Avocado lovers, what do you think of this avocado? I know that this is actually a big size one, but we can try to store my little small avocados in here. Obviously the brown part goes in, just try fitting it in common sense. But see, it didn't work because obviously it is too big. It's for large avocados. So let's try it in the smaller one. See, it's so easy to put on as well. I like this. Guys, I am not guaranteeing anybody that is watching this video that if you buy these Huggers, your avocados won't turn brown. See, it is normal for avocados to turn brown. Browning is part of an avocado process or life cycle, do I say. But as I'm talking to you guys now, I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and store this, keep this in the fridge and come back with a video to show you guys. And let's see, just one day, because I need to eat this avocado the next day. But the remaining ones I'll be making use of today. This ones I haven't made use of. So you guys have seen it. I just wanted to share it with you guys. You can always get this product off of Amazon. Not expensive, quite affordable. 2 for the value of about $14 thereabout. I will be dropping the link in the description for those of you that are avocado lovers. Get in here and make sure to hit the link in the description below and go purchase yours. At the end of this video, I want to actually put a clip from the next day, so you guys should stay tuned. Okay, and here we go, guys. Let's see, it is day 2. Let us quickly check out our avocado in the Hugger. Know what it's looking like. Oh, nice. Not bad, to be honest with you. See? And you know what I'm going to do with the Huggers? I'm going to rinse them. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.
Hi, guys. So I am ready to go for a naming ceremony, and I just decided, today I want to fix my eyelashes, you guys can see. And then I decided no makeup today. I don't want to do makeup, but let me show you guys what I'm putting on. It's just a simple dress. Why is it making me look like my stomach is big and bulging out? It is not anyway. So I think I'll show you guys better outside, but right now we're all dressed and we're going for a naming ceremony. It's just like 5 minutes away from the house. I didn't feel like doing so much makeup. I was just like, I'll just fix my eyelashes and go. But whatever, guys. Your girl is still giving. I'm giving.
How does the Bible ask us to do it? Is it honor your mother and your father so that your day
will be long?
So why are you going to start? Don't curse your child. None of us will curse our child. We should keep praying for them because it is good. Eli told his children, it is good to still fall in the hand of Him. So they will sit and say sorry. But when you fall to the hand of God, He's going to deliver you.
Olúwa fi mí dára ire.
Olúwa fi mí dára ire.
Òní mo mọ̀rẹ́ Olúwa.
Mo mọ̀rẹ́ Olúwa.
Kìkì fẹ́ Olúwa.
Kìkì fẹ́ Olúwa.
Where would I go? Where would I be if I could not walk with Him? I'm in His hands, He carries me home, frees me from all my